Hello, my dear student. How are you? Hope that all of you are fine. I am also fine. I am Saiful Islam, lecturer of mathematics, Milestone College. Welcome all of you to my online class. Today, I will discuss about two construction of your general math, that is construction number 2 and construction number 5. So let us start our class. At first, construction number 2. Look at the board. The base of a triangle and acute angle adjacent the base and difference between the other two sides are given. Construct the triangle. If you want to construct any figure, at first you should follow what it is given. It is given three information in this question. Number 1, a base. Number 2, a acute angle adjacent the base and the difference between the other two sides. By using these three information, we will construct the required triangle. So at first, we will draw the given three parts. Say, given base A. This is given base A, and the difference must be smaller than the base, and this is the difference of two sides. So we will take it so small, and an acute angle. We also take an acute angle, that is so an acute angle we have taken as x. Now by using these three information, we will construct the required triangle. So to draw any figure, at first we will start from a ray. So take a ray, B, D. Take a ray B, D. BD is a ray. From the ray, we will take BC is equal to A. We will cut BC is equal to A. How can you cut a line equal to a line, given line? I think all of you know this, but follow me. Measure this line and set the compass at B and draw an arc. That arc is at C. So this is C. So BC is equal to the base A. Now at the point B, we will draw an angle CBE is equal to X. We will draw an angle CBE is equal to X. Now how can you draw an angle equal to angle? You have learned this in previous classes. So I think you can do this yourself, but after all I will show it you again. Look, with centering the vertex with any suitable radius, we draw an arc. And with centering B, with that radius, same radius, we draw an arc. Now take the measurement of the distance of these 2 points. So take the measurement of the distance of these 2 points. Now join these 2 points, you will get an angle. That one is equal to angle X. That is CBE is equal to angle X. Now from the ray BE, we will take D is equal to BF. We will take D is equal to BF. This is BF. BF is equal to D, that is the difference. So now join FC. Join FC. Now, is it our required triangle? Is it our required triangle? No, this is not our required triangle because BF is the distance of two sides. So, now we will determine BF is the distance of which two sides? We will determine that two sides. Now, if you want to determine that two sides, you should draw an angle FCA is equal to EFC. You should draw an angle at the point C. FCA is equal to angle EFC. So, let us start. We will centering F and with a suitable radius we draw an arc. Again centering with C with that same radius we draw an arc. Now take the distance of these 2 points. Now centering with this point, cut it. Now join these 2 points. Look, how can you join these 2 points? It intersects the line BAE, the ray BE at A. So ABC is our required triangle. ABC is our required triangle. How ABC is our required triangle? Look, BC is the base, that is A, and angle ABC is the adjacent angle with base B, that is equal to X, and the difference of AB and AC is equal to BF, that is D. How the difference of AB and AC is D? Look, these two angles are equal. So AB, AF and AC are equal. Since AF and AC are equal, so we can write AB equal to BF plus AF. So AB equal to BF, that is D, plus AF, that is AC. AF is equal to AC. So we can write AB minus AC is equal to D. So the difference of AB and AC is D. So ABC is our required triangle. Now construction number 5. Look at the board. Two diagonals and a side of a parallelogram are given. Construct the parallelogram. It is given two diagonals and a side of a parallelogram. We will construct that required parallelogram. So what is given? Two diagonals and a side. At first we will draw the given information. It is given two diagonals D1 and D2. It also given a side A. So this is D1, this is D2 and this is the side A. As we know that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other, so we need to bisect D1, D2, that is diagonal 1 and diagonal 2. How to bisect a line? I think all of you know from the previous classes how to bisect a line. I will show you again. With centering any end point, we take the radius more than half of that, draw two arc. Now with centering the another end point with the same radius, we draw more two arc. Now we will take the midpoint. No need to draw the line, take the midpoint. So at this point it is bisected. D1 is bisected over there. Similarly, we will bisect D2. We centering this with the radius more than half. We centering this point with the same radius. We draw another two arc. Now at this point it is bisected. Now we will draw and we will take a ray. Say this is a ray BE. From the ray BE, we will take BC is equal to side A. So measure the side A and cut it from BE. We will get BC. Now at the point B, with the radius half of D1, we will draw an arc. With centering B, with the radius half of D1, we will draw an arc above the ray BE. So measure D1, half of D1. This is half of D1. With centering B, with the radius half of D1, we will draw an arc. Now with centering C, with the radius half of D2, we will draw another arc. We will draw another arc which cut the previous arc at O, which cut the previous arc at arc O. This is O. Now join BO and CO. And expand it. Now join BO and expand it up to F. Again join OC and expand it up to G. Now from OF we will cut OD is equal to BO. I mean another half of D1. Another half of D1 we will cut from OF. And again this is D. And again from OG we will cut OA is equal to OC. OA is equal to OC, that is another half of D2. So look, this is A and this is D. You need to expand it more. Now join AB, AD and CD. Join AB, CD and also AD. So ABCD is our required parallelogram. So ABCD is our required parallelogram. So now how it is the required parallelogram? Look, this is the base BC is equal to A, and OB, this is D half of D1, and this is also half of D1, that is BD is equal to diagonal D1. Again OC is equal to half of D2 and OA is equal to half of D2. So AC is the diagonal D2. So ABCD is our required parallelogram. Now how can you write the step? How you construct the figure? You should write the step like that. First step, we take a ray BE. Step number 2, we will cut BC is equal to A from the ray BE. At the point B, with centering B with the radius half of D2, we draw an arc above the ray BE. Again with centering C with the radius half of D2, we draw another arc which cut the previous arc at O. Now join OB and OC and expand it. Now join OB and expand it up to E. Now join OC and expand it up to G. From OE, we will take OB is equal to OD, that is another half of D1. From OG, we will take OA is equal to OC, that is another half of D2. Now join AB, CD and also AD. So ABCD is our required parallelogram. So my dear student, hope that you have understood my lecture. If you have any question, you can ask your subject teacher. See you again. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.